My name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to take you through our traded in 2016 Sea Ray 21 SPX. This boat is equipped with the Sea Deck swim deck, flip up sun pad, it has the nice walk-through here, has a built-in cooler in the back seat. I currently have the cover stored in there. Has a water sports tower for wakeboarding. Nice storage in the boat. Has the step-through seats here with another filler seat so you can step off the front of the boat. This boat is equipped with the 4.3-liter Merc Cruiser engine. It only has 64 hours. This boat comes with a trailer, full cover. Wonderful, wonderful boat for you and your family to get out on the lake, do some cruising, or equipped for some water sports. Come on out and check us out at Greenville in South Carolina, or go on MarineMaxGreenville.com. Thank you so much.